What is the value of the expression 4 times open parenthesis 9 minus 4 times 4 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's dive in and crush it together. Many people, as the first step to solve this question, go straight to the parentheses, which I highlighted in yellow, and start with the expression 9 minus 4, which becomes 4 times open parenthesis 5 times 4 close parenthesis. In the next step, they calculate the expression inside the parenthesis, which is 5 times 4. So it becomes 4 times 20. And finally, they get the answer 80. Then, without hesitation, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. So, we start with the parenthesis first. And since multiplication has priority over subtraction, first we multiply 4 by 4. So we can write this expression as 4 times open parenthesis 9 minus 16 close parenthesis. In the next step, we do 9 minus 16, which gives us 4 times negative 7. And finally, it equals negative 28. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.